Good afternoon, this is Tawanda here from Strata Real Estate. I'm here today to show you this beautiful one-bedroom apartment in Pure Gold's latest launch in Furjan, right next to Discovery Gardens metro station. This is called PG1. So as you come in, you've got this beautiful large wooden door, and you've got a smart entry system, so biometric entry. You can use your thumb, a code, a card, or a manual key. As you come in, you've got a really spacious living and dining area. This is kind of like one of a kind for latest developments, because generally you get an L-shaped or a U-shaped kitchen and it's connected to the living and dining. But in this case, you've got a closed separate kitchen, which allows for maximum space for living and dining. So it's living, dining. As you can see, for a one-bedroom apartment, this is very, very spacious. And to your left, you come in and you've got this well-proportioned kitchen, which is very large for a one-bedroom unit. Lovely because it comes with these LED lights inside the glass cabinets. That shows your crockery, and very, very nice finishing, as you can see. Coming with Bosch appliances as well. You've got your white goods provided, so oven, cooking range, extractor, washing machine. This is all provided in the one-bedroom layout. And you've got plenty of storage above the mid cabinets as well, and storage underneath. So plenty of space. Fridge freezer is integrated, as you can see. So go back into the living room, and then to your left, you've got your guest washroom. Very, very nice finishing. Comes with the paneling as well, so it actually gets delivered like this, with storage underneath the sink. And then finally, to your left, you've got your bedroom. Good sized bedroom, storage, and finally your main master washroom. Again, the paneling theme continues with a rainfall shower that comes straight from the ceiling, and a normal shower just underneath. So a very, very nice layout, very, very spacious. This unit is available now. You've also got 2 and 3 bedrooms in this building. So if you're interested in this project, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Tawanda. I'm from Strata Real Estate. The number is 0585 722 309. Thank you.